Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new crypto project. From this project there are many methods of earning. I will tell you in this video. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notification. So simply we can go to the website. As you can see, the website was open. Blackfort is the name of this project, and in this project you can see many more things. It's related to blockchain, it's also related to real estate and many more things you can see in this project, and it's give you a big opportunities of earning. And it also having a coin, so if you buy it, and then you can get a very big profit in future. So I will review this website and tell you about each and everything about this platform, so must watch this video. So first of all, as you can see, the website was open. Manifesto about social FAQ and many more options you can see on screen. So first of all, we can scroll down and read about this project, how it's work, and how opportunity it will give us. So simply I can scroll down, you can see Blackfort is a comprehensive blockchain ecosystem that offers a range of service, including a source of blockchain platform, digital wallet, payment solution, asset tokenization platform, real estate tokenization. As I tell you, it gives you a many more opportunity, and it's also give you a web3 media agency. So these are the method it will provides you, and you can earn money or make more benefits. So be the member of this project and get many more thing about this project. So simply you can see it related with blockchain, means it relate with cryptocurrencies, and it also have a coin. I will tell you, and you can simply buy it, and then you can also earn money from this coin and it's give a very big profit to you. Then you can see it's also give you a smart card for fast transactions, and for easy to access. You can see it's also having a wallet for transactions. You can see you can install it from Google Play Store or Apple Store. It's a good opportunity for you. Then you can see the real estate option was also coming soon in this project, and you can buy real estate with blockchain technology, and it's very easy to buy or sell real estate from this blockchain technology, because you know that technology is growing day by day, and yeah, your finance and investments also come to online field. So must participate in it, and you can simply invest your money from these methods. So these are the main detail about this project. Hopefully you will know how it's work, and which thing it will give you. So next we can see many more detail about this project. As you can see, wallet detail was already available, and many more things you can see. Then I will tell you about manifesto. You can simply go it, and you can see the detail of the company, how companies work, and how the group of this company give you opportunities, and it's tell you about the security and trust build about this project. So simply we can scroll down, you can see the detail about this project, how it's work, and how much opportunity it will gives you. And it's a totally secure and decentralized project, and you can see many more thing and detail. So must read it to know about this project, and then be the member of this project. It's a new digital platform, and give you a many good tools for your financial stability, and also give an opportunity of passive income. So must read the detail and then participate in it. It's a very good and very high ratio profit opportunity for you. So next I will tell you about the social media account of this project. Must follow for latest updates and news. As you can see, Blackfort was open, must follow it for getting latest updates and news. As you can see, the detail was available, and you can also see many more updates and event on these social media accounts. So must follow it, and also join the Telegram community of this project. You can see the member of Telegram community on screen, and must participate in it. BXN is the coin of this platform. You can simply buy it from Mexic or many more exchange. Yeah, it will be listed, so you can go and easily buy from it, and I will also tell you. Then I will share with you the white paper of this project. As you can see, white paper was available on screen. You can see many more detail about this project, like introduction, coin detail, wallet detail, and each and everything about this project. You can see So first of all, you can see the token detail about this project. It's also give you an airdrop, and you can buy the token from Biknomi, Mexic, Get.io. You can see I will already tell you BXN is the token name of this project. So must invest in it and gain a very big profit. So these are the main details about the project. You can see, must read it to get more reward from this platform. You can see the detail and you will get a very good response from this platform. You can see the tokenomic and token distribution of this project was also showing on screen, as you can see, and many more things available in this platform. So must read it and be the member of this project. Also join the wallet and social media accounts of this project to get easy access, and you can easily make transaction from this project. So hopefully you will know each and everything, how projects work and how much thing they will give you. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meeting next video.